Haka.
Paris eating crackers, friends. Ay, kisa si Mama, babe. I love you.
Ayo.
So-
Give salamay.
You're welcome, Super Princess. Yan yung tawag niya sa akin ngayon, guys, Super Mommy. Guys, nabiktima ako ng maling akala kasi good afternoon! Welcome back to our channel. Today is Wednesday and ang ating baby girl ay nasa childcare. It is currently 2:50 ng hapon and nagla-lunch break si ate nyo. And during my lunch break, tinan nyo, di ba, basa pa ang aking hair. Naligo ako, hindi ako sumama kay Daddy Mike. Pumunta si Daddy Mike, naglakad-lakad papuntang shops. Hindi ako sumama. Late akong nag-lunch break kasi gusto ko ngang liguan yung aking hair. Kasi nafe-feel ko na medyo may kalagkitan na ang ating hair. Kasi kahit yung hair ko, guys, is dry. Dry talaga yung hair type ko. Pero dito malapit sa roots niya, it's kind of oily. Hayaan lang natin mag-dry ng ganyan. Ipa-air dry natin. Ito pala ang aking in-apply sa aking hair. May buhok. Ayan. This product from L'Oreal Ever Sleek. It's a leave-in cream. Anyway, yun nilagay ko. And while nandito tayo sa kwarto, guys, share ko sa inyo ang ating positive quote of the day. Magbunot-bunot tayo, guys. Ganyan. Na-enjoy ko talaga to, guys. Pasensya na kung very corny sa atin nyo, ha? Pero na-enjoy ko talaga tong tingin ng positive quotes every day. Kuha tayo ng isa. Alright. So, ito na siya. Positive thoughts generate positive feelings and attract positive life experiences. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Diba? Super nice. I super agree with that one. Anyways, balik na natin sa box niya. And, labas na tayo dito sa kwarto. Actually, kasi may time pa ako na naiwan, guys, sa aking lunch break. Pumunta ako ng likuran kanina. Di ba nag-hang kami ni Paris ng clothes the other night ba yun? Tapos, sobrang mahangin. Last night, sobrang hangin talaga dito sa amin, guys. So, yung ibang mga damit na hindi ko na-clip ay nahulog, tapos nadumihan na. Kaya yung ginawa ko, nilagay ko ulit sa washing machine. Tapos, lalabas ako ulit, kukunin ko yung mga na-clip ko kasi medyo dry na siya. Hindi na ako maghihintay na hanginin na naman. Kaya masayang ang ating time and effort ba. So, ito yung pa-outfit natin, guys, sa loob ng bahay. O, diba? Naka-short si atin nyo kasi warm naman dito sa loob, guys. Lalo na kapag nakaligo ka, feeling mo hindi ka giniginaw kumpara sa hindi ka naligo. Ayan. So, yan ang ating pa-outfit. Pack! Tapos itong plant na to, guys, diba yung isang malaki dito, minove ko siya sa sala para malayo muna siya sa heater. Ito yung nireplace ko. Hopefully, this will be fine. Ito naman talaga yung originally nandito before, pero yeah, I replaced it with that big one. Tapos yung isa naman ay nangungunot na naman siya kay sige mainitan. Kaya I replaced it with that. So ito yung mga nag-survive kasi tingnan nyo, inipitan ko. Oh, ito naman siya, very strong kasi hindi inipitan pero nagpabilin siya. Tingnan nyo ang ating fruit. Remember I showed it to you the other day. Ayan, may bulaklak na oh. Spring has sprung. Ayan. Tapos ito sila, ilalagay ko lang dito sa ating basket na to. Kasi medyo dry na naman siya. Ihahang ko na lang siya sa loob. Yung clothes horse ba. Para pang, finalize na pang dry. Wala kasi kaming dryer, guys. Washing machine lang kami meron. alas 5 mga friends. Naka-jacket na si ate nyo kasi pipick upin natin ang ating baby girl. Medyo maaga yung pag-alis ko this afternoon guys. Kasi stop muna tayo ng grocery kasi may kailangan tayong bilhin. Yung mga pangangailangan natin dito sa bahay. And alam nyo naman na pag pumupunta ako ng grocery, I prefer na pumunta ako before pick upin ko si Paris. And Daddy Mike is here guys. Oh, ayan. Kakatapos lang din niya magtrabaho and mag-gym siya. Tapos si ate nyo ay aalis na. I'll see you again soon. See you, Daddy.
Seven.
See ya. Sasakyan na tayo, guys. And tingnan nyo ang aking hair. So, ito talaga ang totoong hair ko, guys. So, pagkaligo ko kanina, di ba, in-air dry ko lang siya. Tapos, hindi ko siya sinuklay. Kasi, I avoid to brush my hair when it's wet. Kasi sira na nga yung buhok ko. Sisirain ko pa. Kaya yan. Oh. Ito ang kulay ng aking buhok ngayon guys. And tingnan nyo. Hindi siguro masyadong kita dahil sa lighting natin. Pero yung regrowth niya ay hanggang dyan na oh. Ayan. So diba nga sabi ko sa inyo na nakapag-book ako ng hairdresser ko for 1st of October. And I was very happy and excited. Kasi it's been a while na binisita ko yung hairdresser ko. And you know what guys? You know what? I am very disappointed and frustrated kasi yung lockdown namin dito sa Melbourne, supposedly matatapos siya ng 13th of September. But nung Sunday, yung premiere namin dito sa Victoria, in-extend niya yung stage 4 lockdown namin dito for another 2 weeks. So it means until the end of September, stage 4 lockdown kami. Yeah, this makes me really, really sad, guys. Kasi, ilang months na kaming lockdown. Wala kaming magawa. Dito lang sa bahay, working from home. Very boring na talaga yung buhay. I know there's a reason why. From the end of September hanggang, I think, 23rd of November, guys. Lockdown pa rin, pero hindi na siya sobrang stricto like stage 4. Maybe stage 3 or maybe lower. But only kung yung cases namin dito sa Victoria ay bababa to 1 to 10 cases a day. Tsaka lang nila gagawin yun. So there's a tendency na after ng extra 2 weeks ay extend pa nila yung stage 4. Kaya yun guys, nabiktima ako ng maling akala kasi akala ko talaga na okay na. And even yung hairdresser guys, akala, nabiktima din sila ng maling akala kasi akala nila na after 13th of September, okay na, open na yung mga shops, open na yung mga hairdressers and all. Pero hindi guys, nakaka-disappoint. But anyways, what can you do, right? Like, you have to follow the rules. Alis na ako guys, I'll see you again very soon. Kakapark ko lang guys. Dito ako sa harapan ng calls. Ayan. Ito kasi yung malapit sa childcare ni Paris. Kaya dito ako pupunta. Here's Paris. Do you say hi na?
I'm eating haka.
Paris eating crackers, friends. What's that? Oh, this in the bin. Put that in the bag for now. Uy! Fell down. No, you eat the other one. Here. Dirty na ni.
This one.
That one. Yeah. Show them me. Ooh. Here.
Eat.
Eat. Show to your friends. Yay! What's the color of your crackers?
Right.
White. Did you have a good day today? Yes? Did you? Did you play? We'll go now see Daddy. Bulingit mo ka na ang bata. Oy, kisa si Mama, be. I love you.
Ayaw.
Push the door. Push. Good girl. Yay! Good job. Good job. Ang buhok di mo na nonsa naman anak. Yeah. Are you warm today na? Walis mo na.
This way.
Yay! Good job, my love.
Oh.
Woo! Wala na. Run! 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 Sige na. Let's go. Wow! Ayun na. Bye-bye na, Mama's going.
Mommy, I'm going down.
Come on, it's too cold.
The tree's going down.
The tree is falling down. It's not windy, na? So it's okay.
It's cold. Is this cold?
It is cold.
This is cold. I'm falling.
Come on na.
I'm falling down.
Are you falling down? Do you need Mama's help?
I'm super mommy help.
Super Mommy help. Super Mommy help. Woo!
Thank you, Super Mommy.
You're welcome, Super Princess. Yan yung tawag niya sa akin ngayon, guys, Super Mommy. 1, 2, 3, jump! 1, 2, 3, jump! Come on now. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Oh no! Ala, up na kay Dirty Knock, Dusty. It's a bus. This way. Where are you going? Piki na kaayo nga katawa. Piki nga katawa. Did you have a nice day today?
Yes.
Yes. Did you play in the sandpit? Huh?
I pick up.
Where's Daddy?
Dad, cooking this.
We're gonna go now. Ready? Ready? Paris, we're gonna go now. Ready?
Ready, go.
Steady, go.
Oh, where's photo, Mom? This is
purple,
photo.
What's that, anak?
It's photo.
Oh, what?
It's a photo.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what that is. Hi, guys. Nakauwi na kami. This is Paris. Baby, Mama will open na yun. Show, tita. Dito sabi. What have you got? What have you got? Let me show them. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo quickly, guys, yung binili ko from Kohl's. Kunti lang to, guys. Kunti lang to. Uy. Open, Mama mo. Open. Ito yung binili ko for Paris. Wait, bali. Rice bubbles. And then, na-itoy na ko.
Oh, cool.
Wow! Sit here, baby, mommy.
Mommy, there's no time. It's my
Yeah.
bubble.
What is that? You wanna open? What's this? Cool! Allah, there's a book! Allah, that's nice. Alam, may maliit na book, guys. Ay, chacha, bala, 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 bala. Ewan ko siguro pag may free siguro kapag,
Mommy, this
I'm
book.
not sure. Yung binayaran ko lahat, guys, was $40.
It's a book.
It's a book. That's so cute. That's a little book for you. I've got pineapple slices. Have a look na. Put it there. And then, bumili ako ng banana mini muffins. We've got toothpaste. Some noodles. And, bumili ako ng mango. Ayan, yung dried mango. Ooh, what's that? It's a toothpaste, anak. This is Mama's night cream. Ayan, guys, oh. Naka-half price kasi siya, guys. Instead of 35 yata yung full price nito. Half price siya. Kaya bumili na lang ako kasi kailangan ko na ng bago. Remember the other night, si Paris, nilaroan niya yung, yung night cream ko. Nilagay niya sa, sa paa ng daddy niya. Kaya ayan, kailangan ko bumili ng bago. That's a toothpaste, my love. It's for Super Paris. And then we've got milk.
A big piece of
A big milk. And then, bumili pala ako ng pasta, guys. I think ito yung lulutuin ni Daddy Mike for tonight. Sabi pala ni Daddy Mike sa akin na bumili ka ng good quality na pasta na ewan ko paano pagbasa niya. Mama, open? Sabi Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, paano ko malalaman na good quality? How to check? Tapos sabi niya, the most expensive one, it means yan daw yung maganda yung quality. Ayan. Kaya yung most expensive yung binili ko. Pero it doesn't apply to everything naman guys, no? Kasi sometimes may mga mahal naman na the same lang pala yung quality sa iba. Minsan brand lang yung binabayaran mo. Hey, this one. Oh, heavy. Wow. What's this na?
Mango.
Mango. Show tito. Got mango. Ito lang guys, oh. It's $2.40. So it means 100 pesos for this. Anyways, let's put everything away guys. I'll see you soon. What are you drinking na?
I'm drinking this.
Drinking juice. Ayan yung ginawa ko guys. So, tubig with cordial na orange flavor para more liquid intake ni Paris ba. Ayan. Kasi gustong gusto niya. Hindi yan siya matamis talaga like, orange juice. Nandito siya sa dito siya sa hig nakaupo kasi daw siya, picnic daw siya. What is that, Nak?
Get the camera.
Mommy got the camera. That's right. Yeah, Mama thought she left the camera in the car.
It's my camera.
Oh, careful.
My camera.
Mommy came back. Ito rin pinapanood ni Paris guys. So, what are you watching, Nak? You're watching who? Watching Tito? Tito Blippi. Naging tito na niya si Blippi guys. Pasensya na rin kung merong noise guys kasi yung heater naka-on. Gumiginaw na kasi. Do you like your cordial, Nak? Do you like your juice? Good job. Can you give Mama a thumbs up? Can you give Mama a thumbs up? Dito na tayo sa kusina, guys. And yung gagawin ko pala ngayon ay maghuhugas ng mga dishes dito. Tapos si Daddy Mike ay magluluto ng something tonight. I am not sure kung ano talaga yung lulutuin niya. Pero sinabi niya sa akin na maglagay lang daw ako ng maraming tubig dito. Tapos i-boil ko. I know na pasta yung lulutuin niya, guys. Ito nga kasi ito yung pinabili niya, diba? But the whole process, yung pangalan talaga ng lulutuin niya, hindi ko alam. Surprise, surprise! Sinong mag-birthday? Bakit may surprise? Anyways, ayan. And then, hugas tayo ng plato ngayon. While Daddy Mike and Paris are playing, guys, while watching Blippi. Now, 11 o'clock ng gabi, and nandito ako ngayon sa harapan ng aking computer. Nakaupo sa sahig. Malapit nang mag-midnight, and si ate nyo ay gising pa rin. Nakatulog na si Paris, kasi maaga ko siya pinatulog. May childcare bukas pa. And, yeah, mag-work pa ako, guys, kasi kaninang umaga, medyo late kong nadala si Paris sa childcare. So, nag-message ako sa manager ko. Sabi ko, instead of 8:30, kasi 8:30 yung start ko. Sabi ko na 9 o'clock na ako mag-start, tapos i-cover ko na lang tonight yung half an hour. So, yes guys, mag-work tayo at least half an hour para i-cover natin yung time. And kung naririnig sa background ay si Daddy Mike naglalaro ng kanyang PS4. Naglalaro ng NBA guys. Sana all naglalaro. Pero ako, kailangan ko pang mag-work. Anyways, guys, i-end na natin ang vlog natin dito kasi mag-work pa si ate nyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta na pinapakita nyo sa amin at sa palaging panonood nyo ng ating mga videos. Super thank you talaga. And now, we're just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Susana Webb, Kane Bernales, Janzi Pinay, Australia, Mary Vic Valcorza. Shout out daw sa kanyang dearly mother sa Leyte. Shout out to Mitchell Prestin, Fritzy Joy Guatilara, and also sa kanyang baby girl na si Akila Trace Guatilara Mercado, and happy birthday Mrs. Elena M. Mercado. Shout out to Evert Suta 53, and shout out to Chari Salazar, and also Salazar family and Duaris family, and also Euracial family, and that's from Chari Salazar from Makati City. Shout out to Tita Ruth Morales from Siargao Island, and to her 3 kids, John, SJ, and Queenie. Shout out to Lina de los Santos, Luis Manalastas, Vicky Inot, Persana Mansueto, Riz Chano. Shout out to Golda Ibanez, Don D, and also sa kanyang mother na si Leticia Ditisio. Shout out to Helen Abiertas, Daya Magallanes. Shout out to Rosemary Hilab, Nori Aliada, Rosana Hidalgo. Shout out to Beverly Joy Daya, watching from San Martin, Villanueva, Misamis Oriental. Hello, Silingan. Shout out to Grace May Libres, LM, Elisa Samiliano, Jeneline De Leon. Shout out to Idna Bartulay, Arain Panorel.
Steve Mendoza?
Daddy Mark is, mentioning names, guys, na hindi ko naman alam kung sino. KD Jack 16, Corny Pascual B, LV Romboso, Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reed, Patricia Mondoyo, Judy Reyes, Ophelia Colico, Mylene Franco, Joanne Ambe, Pinky Tomi, Perdan Catalan, Queen Survivor TV, and Hermogenes Rapun. That's about it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah.